Yeah, good morning, Mohammed. Good morning, all. We'll start another few minutes. Good morning, Alankarit.
Good morning, sir.
I'll start another 2 3 minutes. Okay, let's start. New concept. Just a minute. Good morning, Shreyas.
Morning, sir.
So, next topic we are going to discuss in percentage most important topic consumption expenditure, and this is the most important we are going to discuss today. Sir, ಹೇಳಿ ಸೇಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೆನ್ನೇನು ಕಳಿಸಿದ ಅದೇ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅದೇ ಲಿಂಕೆ ಸರ್, ಡೈಲಿ ಅದೇ ಲಿಂಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. So consumption, your most important concept. I hope everyone understand yesterday question. Says yesterday you are not attended, I think.
Sir.
Yesterday you are attended class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Fine. The question expenditure. Okay, let's start this concept. Okay. The price, okay, first understand the meaning of this concept. The price of the sugar is increased by 33 1 by 3 percentage or 33.33 percentage, both are same. If the expenditure should not be increased for a housewife, she will have to reduce her consumption, okay, her consumption of sugar by what percentage, or is consumption or what percentage, that is a question here. See how to solve this question. First, you yesterday also I told you this same concept of question. as it is question. Yesterday we discussed this. Same type of question as it is. So now I will solve it. Yesterday I told you one example. The example is like this. For example, I have 100 rupee. I will go one shop to purchase sugar. I will ask that shopkeeper what is the price of the sugar. He said 1 kg is 20 rupees. 1 kg is 20 rupees. Price of the sugar 1 kg is 20 rupees. I have 100 rupee, which means I am spending 100 rupees total. Tell me how many kgs I may get for 100 rupees. Reply or consumption. How many kgs I may get?
5.
Yes, I will get 5 kgs. That is called consumption. Now same 100 rupee expenditure should be same. If it is same 100 rupee, if I go another property I will explain here. Same 100 rupee I will get tomorrow, next day. But the price of the sugar will be if it is 25 rupees. The price of the sugar if it is 25 rupees. How many kgs or what is the consumption I may get?
4.
Yes, I will get 4 kgs. If you observe here clearly, price is increased. If price is increased, consumption will be reduced. Yes or no? If price is increased, consumption will be reduced. Here most important thing is expenditure how you will get. So if 100 how you will get using these two numbers means 20 into 5, which means expenditure is equal to price into consumption. If I need consumption, I can write this equation expenditure divided by price. If I need price, I can write this equation expenditure divided by consumption. Also one more important property here, if expenditure is constant. If expenditure is constant, you should remember this. If expenditure is constant, then price is inversely proportion to consumption. Price is inversely proportion to consumption. Is it clear this property? Everyone reply if it is clear this property. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now in this question, if you read this question, expenditure should not be increased, which means expenditure should be constant. If expenditure is constant, price is inversely proportional to consumption. In the question they are given price of the sugar is increased by 33.33%, which means price ratio if I write 33.33% fraction value will be 1 by 3. 1 by 3 increased. 1 by 3 increased. 1 by 3 increased means 4 by 3, which means it is always denominator, always represent initial. Initial price for 1 kg 3 rupee. Now the price of the sugar will be 1 kg 4 rupee. That is the initial to final ratio. Initial to final ratio 3:4. Then consumption or quantity, I can take it quantity or consumption, both are same. The consumption ratio, what is the inverse of 3:4 means you should write down 1 by 3:1 by 4 is the inverse ratio of A:B, is 1 by A:1 by B. But ratio always we have to write integer format, so I will multiply both the side LCM or cross multiplication. If I do cross multiplication, I will get 4:3. Actually we can write it reverse if I have 2 ratio A:B, but if I have more than 2 ratio we have to write inverse, means this format only. Be careful if I have more than 2 ratio. If I have 2 ratio I can write it reverse, which means initially I am getting 4 kg sugar, now I am getting 3 kg sugar, my consumption is reduced. I have to reduce consumption. How much I have to reduce consumption means one part I have to reduce consumption out of 4. 1 by 4 into 100 I have to reduce consumption. 1 by 4 is total 25 percentage. 1 by 4 is total 25 percentage. Please reply. Is this question is clear, everyone? Reply all. Is this question is clear? Good morning now.
Yes.
Yes. So write down question number 1 in consumption concept. Write down. Good morning Tanu, Preeti, Gopal. Everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
We'll go for higher level questions from this concept. Over now. Now the question. Is it writing over? Please reply all.
Yes, sir.
See this question. You try. First you try to do it. The price of the pomegranates is decreased by 16.66 or 16.2 by 3 percentage. By how much percent must a customer increase his consumption so that his expenditure remains the same? Again, same concept. Expenditure is constant. Expenditure remains same. You try to do it and tell me answer. Complete we are going to discuss today consumption related concept, little bit higher level questions. Do it and reply all, everyone answer. Everyone do that, answer for that question. What is the answer? Anyone? I will repeat once again. Say now. The price of the pomegranates is decreased by 16.66. What is the fraction value of 16.66? Reply everyone. What is the fraction value of 16.66? Alankrut?
1 by 6, sir.
Yes, 1 by 6. Expenditure, here price ratio decreased. Everyone reply what is the 1 by 6 decreased value? 1 by 6 decreased value?
5 by 6.
5 by 6. 1 by 6 decreased value will be 5 by 6. Which means price ratio initially 6 rupees. 1 kg pomegranate. Now pomegranate will be 5 rupees. Tell me everyone reply what is the consumption ratio? Because expenditure remains the same. If I need expenditure remains same, what is the consumption ratio? Reply. Expenditure is constant. What is the consumption ratio? If expenditure is constant, price is inversely proportion to consumption. Now reply what is the consumption ratio?
5:6.
5:6. Is it clear all others? Reply. Alankrut, Tanu, Priya, is it clear? The ratio will be 5:6 inverse ratio.
Yes, sir.
So which means I am getting initially 5 kg pomegranate. Now I am getting 6 kg pomegranate, which means consumption is increased by 1 part. Consumption is increased by 1 part out of initial consumption. Initial consumption will be 5. 1 by 5 into 100, which means consumption is increased by 1 by 5 into 100. 20 percentage consumption is increased. How much increased? 20 percentage consumption is increased. I hope it's clear. Just write down. And everyone, you should clearly understand concept. Yes, Shreyas is replying. Good. You can speak out also. Is it writing over? Yes. You try this question. Same as it is question. As it is question, everyone reply. All my online students, you should reply now. This batch will going to very slowly also. Very high level questions. Prelims to high level questions. You, because this year you will get more vacancies in RRB and banking related notifications. If you prepare slowly with high level questions, definitely in 6 months you have a time. 6 months if you keep effort, definitely you can able to clear RRBs. So this batch specially designed for RRBs. Okay, tell me. Anyone? Not yet still? Alankrit, what might be answer? Tanu? Preeti? Shreyas? Tell me first thing, at least reply. What is 14 2 by 7 percentage? My question is it expenditure is constant or not? Let me know first. Is it expenditure is constant or not?
Yes, constant.
Yes,
Constant,
expenditure
sir.
should not be increased, which means expenditure constant. You should know if expenditure is constant, price is inversely proportion to consumption. Price is inversely proportion to consumption. You should know this. Now tell me what is the fraction value of 14 2 by 7 or 14.28? Both are same. The fraction value of 14.28 is 1 by 7. See, if you don't know this value, do it at least basics. How to do it basics? 14 2 by 7 percentage. Percentage means divided by 100. That's why you should buy at percentage table. 14 sevens are 98 plus 2. 100 by 7. By 100. By 100 again, if it go numerator, it will go like this. Then 1 by 7. Is it clear? 14 2 by 7 or 14.28 is both are same. 1 by 7 increased. The question is 1 by 7 increase. At least reply what is 1 by 7 increased value. 1 by 7 increased value.
8 by 7.
8 by 7, which means if I write price ratio, initially it was 7 rupee, now it is 8 rupee. Now consumption ratio, reply everyone. What is the consumption ratio? What is the consumption ratio?
8 is to 7.
8 is to 7. Consumption ratio will be 8 is to 7, which means I'm getting petrol starting 8 liter, now I'm getting 7 liter, which means petrol is reduced by 1 by 8 into 100. 1 by 8 into 100 is 12.5 percentage. 12.5 percentage, but in option they are not given directly, indirectly they are given. 25 divided by 2 is 12.5 percentage. Directly not they are given, indirectly they are mentioning. So your answer will be 25 by 2 percentage. I hope it is clear. Is it clear? I will forward this notes afterwards also, you can write it. Okay, no problem, because we can solve it more questions. In my app today I will let you know where you will get these notes in end of the class. Okay, you can listen class. Is it clear? Everyone reply now once. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Sanchana. Now this question, same question, but here I need to find out the number. Application of this question. Read question first. Read question first. If the price of the petrol is increased by 20%, by how much liter of the consumption is decreased so that the expenditure month will be constant? So expenditure is constant. First property, if you know expenditure, if it is constant, we should know price is inversely proportion to consumption. Price is inversely proportion to consumption. Just a minute, I will connect the charger. Just a minute. One minute, come back. Okay. So here, if expenditure is constant, price is inversely proportion to consumption. Price is what happened? Price is increased by 20%. Price is increased by 20%. 20% fraction value will be 5:6 because increased. The fraction value of 20% is 1/5. 1/5 increased value will be 5/6. 5:6. It is a price ratio. Then consumption ratio. Tell me what is the consumption ratio? Everyone, all online students, tell me what is the consumption ratio?
6:5.
Yes, 6:5. Consumption ratio will be 6:5. But they are not asking this time percentage. Instead of percentage, read question. They are not asking percentage. What they are asking? When is original use is 36 liter anta helidare. Which means initially I am using 36 liter. Now how many liter I am using? By how much liter consumption is decreased they are asking. Which means initially I am using 36 liter. Initially according to ratio 6 parts. So 6 parts is equal to 36 liter. Now I am using 5 parts. Now I am using 5 parts. 5 parts, 1 part is equal to 6. Now I am using 30 liter. Initially I am using 36 liter. Now I am using 30 liter, which means consumption is how much decrease they are asking. How much decrease? 6 liter consumption is decreased. Is it clear? Compared to previous question and this question, is it clear? Reply all. So no need to write notes. Just you can wait. I will forward. Then you will understand because more questions we can discuss. Is it clear? Let me know first. Everyone. Preeti, is it clear? Tanu, Shreyas.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is same kind of question. You try now. This is as it. Okay. It's not same question. It's not same question. It's not same question. Read question. Is it expenditure is constant? Is it expenditure is constant?
No, sir.
No. Then how to solve? This model also I will tell. Then remaining questions we can try. Expenditure is not constant. Then how to solve? Say one thing here. If expenditure is not constant means there is no constant means there is no inversely proportion concept. Then we have to solve in another way. How to solve in another way I am going to explain. Just a minute. Okay. So now I am going to explain. Here, if you observe here, I need to find out consumption finally. Consumption is equal to expenditure divided by price. Expenditure divided by price. So reply all. Everyone. Okay. So now. Consumption ratio is equal to expenditure divided by price. Here the price of the sugar is decreased by 30 percentage. 30 percentage fraction value 3 by 10. 3 by 10 decreased, which means initial price of the sugar will be 10 parts or 10 rupee. Now price will be 7 rupee. Now price will be 7 rupee. Initial price 10 rupee. Now price will be 7. 30 percentage decreased. By how much kilogram the consumption is decreased so that expenditure is decreased by 5 percentage only. Expenditure also decreased by 5 percentage. 5 percentage means 1 by 20. 5 percentage is 1 by 20. 1 by 20 decreased, this is 1 by 20 decreased expenditure. First write down, because the question is I need consumption, means if I need consumption I have to do expenditure divided by price. Expenditure divided by price. 20 it is decrease, means it is 20 is to 19. Yes or no? Reply all. Reply everyone. 20 is to 19.
Yes.
Okay, the ratio will be 20 is to 19. Okay, price ratio and this ratio. So 5 percentage means that is the meaning that. But think now, I need, okay, I need, that's a question. The expenditure is decreased by 5 percentage only. Is original consumption is 35 kg, then what you need to find out? You have to find out this, how much decrease. Same concept, I need consumption now. I need consumption now. Consumption, if I need, I have to do division. I have to do division. Okay, I have to do division. Which means if I do ratio here, okay, if I do ratio here, okay, 20 divided by 10, that is 2 by 1. 19 divided by 7, that is 19 by 7. If I do cross multiplication, I will get 14 is to 19. I will get ratio 14 is to 19, which means initially I am using consumption 14, now I am using 19. So consumption is increased. 14 parts is equal to 35 kg, because it's a original consumption. So 1 part is equal to 7 5s are 7 2s are 5 by 2 means 2.5. 1 part is equal to 2.5. I need to find out how much it is decreased. 14 and 19 difference will be 5. 5 into 2.5. So your answer will be 12.5. Is it clear, everyone? Here consumption not decreased. Here question is wrong. Consumption increased it is. The price of the sugar also decreased and expenditure also decreased, then consumption definitely increased. Initially 14, now 19. So consumption is that. Is it clear, everyone? Please reply all if it is clear.
Yes.
Same concept. Next question
Yes,
I will
sir.
give. You have to try. Next question you have to try. So once again just do a revision that concept what I am writing here. If you want, you write down also. Will you write? Or afterwards you will write? Preeti, are you able to understand this?
Yes, yes, sir.
Next you try this. You try this question. Same question as it is, but you try to do it and tell me answer. I will give a time to solve this. Try and tell me answer. Over. Anyone? Any online students? ಓಕೆ ಎನಿವನ್ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಬೇಕಾ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ? ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಶಾಲ್ ಐ ಡೂ ಆರ್ shall I do or will you try? Reply all. Shall I do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me now. You have to try. Is it expenditure is constant? First tell me. After reading this question, you tell, is it expenditure?
No, sir.
Okay. Expenditure is not constant. Expenditure, if there is no expenditure is constant, then price is inversely proportion. Yes or no? There is no, sorry, there is no expenditure constant, there is no price is inversely proportion to consumption concept. Here what I need to find out? Consumption I need to find out. So consumption ratio will be expenditure divided by price. Okay, expenditure divided by price. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Here first expenditure ratio, concentrate. Tell me everyone, what is the expenditure here? Percentage. Tell me what is the expenditure percentage? Reply all online students. Are you there? Are you able to understand? Expenditure is what happened in this question. Whether it is expenditure increased or decreased.
Sir, it decreased by 16%.
16% it is decreased. What is the fraction value of 16%? 16 divided by 100, 4 4s are 16, 4 25s are 100, 4 by 25 decreased, which means initially expenditure is 25 parts, now expenditure is 21 parts. Everyone has written like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then where you are not able to understand my question? Next, price ratio. Tell me price. What happened price? Everyone you discuss instead of solving, discuss. So what happened price?
Decreased by
Price also
30%.
decreased by 30%.
Decreased by 30%. What is the fraction value of 30%? 30% means 30 divided by 100, that will be 0 0 get cancelled. 3 by 10 decreased. 3 by 10 decreased means 7 by 10, which means initially price will be 10, now it will be 7. Now it will be 7. Then I want consumption. If I need consumption, I have to do division. 25 divided by 10, 21 divided by 7, because consumption is equal to expenditure divided by price. If I do division, 25 divided by 10 will be 5 by 2. 21 divided by 7, 7 3s are 21, 3 by 1 or 3. If I do cross multiplication, I will get consumption ratio will be 5:6. Is it clear till this point, everyone?
Sir.
Now tell me, what is this 32 kg? What is that 32 kg according to you?
Final.
Is it final?
6.
Yes, 6. Is it 6? No. That's why you are getting wrong. You should know what is the comparison. Original number what? Then only you can able to understand. What is this 32? Anyone? Anyone? Read. But a family purchased 32 kg more tea, which means compared to starting, now they are getting 32 kg more. Initially, I'm getting 5 kg tea. Now I'm getting 6 kg tea, which means I'm getting 1 part extra tea. 1 part is equal to 32. You should understand here properly. Okay, difference is a consumption of difference. It is consumption difference. Good, Navneet. So 1 part is equal to 32. I need to find out current consumption. Current consumption means this. 6 parts is equal to how much? If the question is old consumption, 5 parts is equal to how much? Here I need to find out 6 parts. 32 into 6. That will be 192 kg. Is it clear? Now at least.
Yes.
Where you are
Yes,
not
sir.
able to understand. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ? Tell me. Priti, where you are struck?
Sir,
Tell me. Where you are not able to understand. Is it clear now?
sir, can you repeat it once again? But
Shreyas, is it clear for you?
sir, not.
Okay. I will do it some many. Where you are not able to understand, tell me, Priti. Which part?
Sir, expenditure.
Expenditure ratio or what? Okay, we'll do one more question, then at least you try one more question. Where you struck, then you will understand clearly where you will struck. At least you try this question. You try. Then you will understand where you will get struck. Try this. Same question as it is. Then you will understand where you are struck. Try all, everyone you should try. I'll give 2 minutes time, just everyone try. So YouTube students, Revati, good morning. Sinchana, good morning. Kavya, good morning. And you also try to do it and let me know answer for this question. Good, Navneet. Others also reply who are watching in YouTube. And you also try to do it, online batch students. The price of rice is increased by 20%. Okay, just I want Priya, you have to discuss with me. You only tell me first. Is it expenditure is constant? First read this question and tell me. Priya, you only tell. Is it expenditure is constant? You understand that statement? No. Expenditure is increased actually. No constant. If it is expenditure is there is no constant means you should do basics, which means there is no relation between consumption and price, no inversion concept. Consumption equation. What is the equation for consumption? Tell. You only tell. What is the consumption equation?
Sir, expenditure by price.
Yes, expenditure divided by price. Now I will write expenditure ratio. Tell me expenditure what happened, whether it is increase or decrease. How much, whether it is increased, whether it is decreased.
Increase by 20%.
No, it is price. That's why you are getting confused. So this is not expenditure.
Sir, expenditure is increased by 5%.
Yes, that's very important. You have to understand that expenditure is 5% increased. Tell me the fraction value of 5%. 5 divided by 100. Can I write that number is 1 by 20? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me 1 by 20 increased value.
20, increase value is
See, here you are getting confused. Say now. Always write it base whatever you have that number. It is increased. How much increased? 1. 20 plus 1, 21. Increase means add, decrease means subtract. Is it clear?
yes, we can also do it right now, like 105 divided by 100.
Yes. You can do 105 divided by 100 also. Again, if you do
Yes.
this, again you will get 21 by 20.
Yes, sir.
Why I am explaining this method means if the question is 16.66 percentage, if you use this method, you will write 116.66 percentage divided by 100, then calculation will be tough. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
But if I write this question 1 by 6, easily I can write 1 by 6 increased value will be 7 by 6. I hope it is clear. Clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, here expenditure, if I write ratio, initial, first I am writing initial expenditure. Initially my expenditure will be 20. Now expenditure will be 21. It is a expenditure ratio. Now tell me price what happened. Read question and tell me what happened price.
Price increased by 20%.
Yes, increased by 20%. 20% means 1 by 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me increase ratio. Now tell me what is the increase ratio. 1 by 5.
6 by 5.
Yes, 6 by 5. Which means price is, initially it is 5. Initially is denominator always. Now it will be 6. Now I want consumption ratio. If I need consumption ratio, I have to do division, which means 20 divided by 5, 21 divided by 6. 20 divided by 5 is 4, 21 divided by 6 is 7 by 2. Yes or no? 3 7s are 3 2s are 7 by 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I want always consumption should be integer format, so I will do cross multiplication. If I do cross multiplication, 2 4s are 8, 7 1s are 7. 8 is to 7 is the ratio, initial to final. Initially I am getting 8 kg sugar, now I am getting 7 kg sugar. But what is this 40? Now tell what is this 40? You only tell. What is that 40? According to you, what is a 40?
That is the consumption.
Consumption,
The consumption decreases.
which means which number I have to compare? 40 kg less. Which number I have to compare?
Sir, it should be 7 by 2.
No. See, you have to understand here very clearly ratio concept, which means comparison. See, the 40 kg less because you are using previously 8 parts. You are getting 8 kg sugar previously. Now you are getting 7 kg. According to ratio, how many kgs you are getting less? Tell me. According to ratio, how many kgs you are getting less? 1 kg?
One.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But according to question, you are getting 40 kg less. Is it clear? I hope.
Yes, sir.
1 part is equal to 40. I need to find out original consumption. Original consumption will be 8. 8 parts is equal to how much? 8 into 40. 320 kg is the original consumption. I hope it is clear everyone now.
Yes, sir.
So I'll forward. I hope it is clear. Next questions will go. Afterwards you can see record once again. I will forward this. I'm going to record. Next class onwards you have to properly write it. Okay. This is same thing.
Sir,
I hope
next
now.
class,
Tell me.
I think next class will be offline or online?
Offline only. From Monday you will get offline class only. See this. I think you can try this. I think same question, no need to solve. Same question, you can do that later. If the price of tea increased from 125, yeah, this same question. Instead of percentage, they are given some values. You try this. Everyone. If the price of the tea is increased from 125 kg per kg to 150 rupees per kg, instead of percentage they are given value. You write down in ratio. Initial to final ratio. Initial to final ratio. Can you tell what is our here consumption also is there? Now monthly expenditure is increased by 10%. 10% means I can write 10:11 is a expenditure ratio. Is a expenditure ratio. 10:11. Now tell me price ratio. Price initially 125 rupees per kg. Now price will be 150 rupees per kg. Instead of percentage or ratio, they are given values. But we will write in ratio. Ratio will be 25 5s are 25 6s are. Is it clear everyone? Tell me all. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Their price
Yes.
ratio will be 5:6. Now consumption I want. Consumption if I need I will do division. 10 divided by 5 that will be 2. Directly I will write 10 divided by 5 will be 2. 11 by 6 it is not divisible, so I will write as it is. Now I will do cross multiplication. If I do cross multiplication it will be 6 2s are 12, 11 1s are 11. So consumption ratio will be 12:11. Now tell me what is this 2 kg. Now you tell Preeti which number I have to compare this 2 kg.
Sir, 1.
Yes, 1. Because the family is decreased. Decreased means compared to previous, now it is decreased 2 kg. According to ratio, starting I am getting 12 kg. Now I am getting 11 kg, which means my consumption is reduced by 1 part. 1 part is equal to 2 kg. I need to find out original and present consumption both. Original consumption is 12 parts. 1 part is equal to 2. 12 parts is equal to 24. 1 part is equal to 2. 11 parts is equal to 22. So your answer will be 24 and 22. I hope it is clear. This concept completely. Let me know if it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Try same question. Here read question very carefully. You have to understand question. My question is it expenditure is constant or not? Read question and tell whether expenditure is constant or not. Whether expenditure is constant or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Expenditure is constant. So the meaning of this statement, I will explain this question indirectly they are given. A reduction of 30 rupees per kg enables a man to purchase 2 kg more rice for 720. Find the original price, which means initially I will go with 720 rupee. Initially I will go with 720 rupee. I will get some kg. I will get some kg. For example, x kg I am getting. X kg I am getting. Due to price decreases, due to price decreases. Now I'm getting extra 2 kg. Now I'm getting extra 2 kg, which means I'm getting x plus 2 kg. X plus 2 kg for same amount. For same amount. Which means first day also I'm spending 720, second day also I'm spending 720, but compared to first day I'm getting second day 2 kg extra. So expenditure is constant, which means price is inversely proportional to consumption. Directly I can solve this question instead of equation. See now, price what happened? Price is decreased by 30 rupees per kg. Enables a man, consumption I can write 30 rupees per kg, price is decreased. You try this question, easily it is. You can no need to write percentage because ratio we can't able to write it, but using this concept we can do it. But you try anyone how to solve this question, anyone how to do it. Say now, here equation we have to write because we don't have basic method is very important in this question. Here we don't have any ratio. Then how to write it? Tell me one thing, everyone tell me, for 1 kg 30 rupee, I am spending 720 rupee. 30 kg reduction. 30 kg reduction. Very important is that. 720 first day also I am spending, second day also I am spending 720. First day price will be x rupees per kg. I am assuming x rupees per kg first day. First day x rupees per kg, 720 rupee total. Here I will explain concept. Okay, instead of basics, first I will explain concept. Why you are writing equation. Say now. Very important is this. For example, you will go on shop. You will spend 100 rupee. You will spend 100 rupee. For 1 kg sugar. 1 kg sugar is 20 rupee. Tell me how many kgs you will get. That's my question. You will spend 100 rupee expenditure. 1 kg price is 20 rupee. How many kgs you will get? Tell me.
5 kg.
5 kg. How you are getting that number? 5, how you are getting? This 5, how you are getting?
Expenditure by price.
Very good. 100 divided by 20. That is the consumption. So I am writing that same equation. 720 first day I am spending. I don't know what is the original price. Even I don't know later price also. They are not given. But they are given for how much reduced compared to starting 30 rupee reduce. I am assuming starting price. For 1 kg price will be x rupees. Then 720 divided by x is the consumption. Yes or no? Reply everyone.
Yes, sir.
Now, your price is reduced by 30 kg. Your price is reduced by 30 kg, 30 rupees per kg. Which means now the consumption will be 720 divided by x minus 30. Is it clear everyone? Please reply all. Preeti, is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
So, because of price reduces, here I will get more consumption. That's why I'm writing, see always we will do subtraction, big number minus small number. If price reduces, consumption will be increases. Okay, that's why I'm writing this equation first, this equation second. That here I will get extra 2 kg, which means the difference between this consumption, the difference between this consumption is equal to 2 kg. Okay, the difference between this consumption will be 2 kg. I can use it option and I can verify. Otherwise, you can do cross multiplication also. How to do cross multiplication? So, I can take 720 is the common in both the equation. Otherwise, 2 ones are 2. Here 1 I have 360, 360. 360 I can take it common. Yes or no? Yes or no reply. Otherwise, you can take like this. 720 is the common, basic method I am explaining. Or option method also I will tell you. 720 is the common. Now remaining 1 by x minus 30 minus 1 by x is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. Now I will shift 720 this side. If I shift 720 that side, it will be 1 by 360. Okay, 1 by 360. Now cross multiplication you do. But instead of this, best method will be option. I will told you that method also. I will explain you that method also easily. Okay, easily I can do that. That method also we can do it easily. Okay, but you try and explain this method. Just I will give a time. Everyone reply what is the x value. I will tell you how to solve it afterwards easily. Everyone do it. I will give a time 5 minutes, 2 minutes. Everyone reply. Everyone do it. The best method will be option. I will explain option method. You try this equation, quadratic equation, it will come. You try this equation. I don't want to do this equation method. You can take it LCM of x minus 30. My x is x minus 30 into x is the LCM. Then if you do cross multiplication, you will get basic method. But instead of this method, I will use whenever if the equation, I will use option method. That method you can try in your own option quadratic equation method. Now I will take first option. 90 minus 30, 60, 720 divided by 60. That will be, if I solve that equation, 12. Then it will be 90, it will be 8. 12 minus 8, it should be 4. Then it is not my option because I want 2. I will take this option. 120 minus 30, 80. 80 means 9. It is 120, 6. 8 minus 6, 2. Yes, it is satisfied. So your answer will be 120. Is it clear how I am solving? Please reply all. Is it clear
Yes.
how I am using option method? Online students reply. Everyone?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, good. Different format of the questions I will take based on consumptions today. See this question. Based on consumption, what varieties of question, whatever they may ask, based on consumption, today you will understand completely. YouTube students, please reply all. Is it clear? You try this question. Same kind of question it is. Same kind of question. A reduction of rupees 2 rupees per kg in the price of the sugar. Chinnu can purchase 4 kg sugar more in rupees 16. Find the original price. You try this question. As it is question, whatever discussing now, you can use it option method and verify. But you have to tell answer. You have to tell answer.
4 kg.
Very
4
good.
rupees per kg.
Very good. Very good. Reply all online students. And anyone from YouTube students reply. What is the answer for this? Okay. Shall I solve or will you try? Still online students. Preeti, will you try or shall I solve?
Sir, I will try.
Yeah, you try. Tanu, will you try? Venugopal, what about you? Okay, I will do it now. Shall I do Priya now?
Yes, sir.
Where you are not getting, let me know, because you have to know. See, that's why if I give time, you will understand where you are not able to get. Let's try once again. Tell me, it is a price reduced which means initial price I don't know, but price is reduced 2 rupees per kg in the price of the sugar. Chinnu can purchase 4 kg sugar more in rupees 16, which means initially also I am spending 16 rupee, now also I am spending 16 rupee only. Then say how to do it. Initial price x rupee, then initial consumption will be expenditure divided by price. I am assuming x rupee I am spending initially, x rupee I am spending initially. Now same 16 rupee, now price will be 2 rupees less. 2 rupees less means x minus 2. X minus 2. One more thing you should remember, if the question is price is increased, price is increased means, mute it, okay, price is increased means, understand here,
Second, fourth.
just a minute. Okay, price is increased means, here you should understand price is increased means. Alankrut, please observe here, and here Priya, clearly observe here. If price is increased means what's the equation you should write it? First you should write it 16 divided by x, then 16x minus 2. Because if price x plus 2, not minus 2, plus 2, because price is increased means consumption will be reduced, then here consumption will be this more number minus small number you have to write. Be careful that. Is it clear when we have to write equation? Is it clear? Please reply all. Priya, is it clear that equation, that statement?
Yes.
Okay, now here minus, because price is reduced means consumption will be increased. Here a big number, here small number, the difference will be how many kgs? I am getting extra 4 kg. Priya, observe here. So you are not getting this equation, tell me where you are getting confused. Let me know first. Are you writing this equation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now how to solve it? Is it clear this equation now?
Yes, sir.
Now use options instead of basic method, because if I use basic method calculation will takes time. Okay, so if I solve unit basic method, you have to take LCM of this equation, then we have to solve. In exam you don't have time, so in exam we have a options, then use options instead of basic method. See, whenever any question, if you have equation, we can use it options, verification method, LHS is equal to RHS easily. Now first option I will substitute x minus 2, 3 minus 2 will be 1, it will be 16, because 16 divided by 1. Here 3, 16 divided by 3 is not multiple, 16 minus decimal, because 16 is not divisible by 3. If I subtract integer number minus decimal number, definitely you will get answer decimal, but here I want integer, so this option is not at possible, not at possible. Now I will take this 16 divided by 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 will be 2, which means 16 divided by 2 will be 8. Here 16 divided by 4 will be 4, 8 minus 4 will be 4, then LHS satisfied our RHS, so your answer will be 4 kg. I hope it is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Write down that if you want. Just write down. Even I will forward this written notes also. I hope everyone. Alankrut, is it clear?
Yes, I understood.
Yeah, Shreyas.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think Tanu, I think it's clear for you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Next. So this is the most important module, most of the times you will get. Now how to solve this question? See, this is also important question. How to solve? See this question. How to solve? You try. First you try, whether right or wrong, don't worry. Whatever you understand till now, you try that method. Whatever you understand till now. Due to reduction of 50, same question as it is same question, but 1 dozen is there, that's it. due to reduction of 50 paise per dozen in the price of the pens, Sunita buy 1 dozen more pen for 66 rupees. Then find the original price of the pen per dozen. You try. Same question as it is question. 50 paise means you have to write it in rupees. That is 1 by 2 rupee. Remaining all same question. You try and tell me answer.
6 rupees per dozen.
Very good. Very good. Try. Very simple question. Now Preeti, can you tell what's the equation you can able to write? Equation, tell me. Reduction, price is reduced, which means first I will write original, final I will write original. Tell me what you will write.
It will be
66 divided by x. Yes or no? Because I don't know starting price. I don't know starting price, so I have to write it 66 divided by x. First equation. Now next equation. Same 66 rupee I am spending, but the price is reduced by 50 paise. 50 paise means x by 1 by 2 rupees. Because I am assuming rupees. The difference of the consumption will be I am getting 1 dozen more pens. It is 1 dozen. I am writing 1 dozen only, not 12. Don't write it 12. Okay, 1 dozen. In dozen I am writing. Okay, in dozen I am writing this equation. Okay, in dozen. Now solve this equation. Verify using option method. If I take first option 5 dozen in the place of x, 5 minus 1 by 2, that is 4.5. 4.5, if you verify that equation, and 4.5 it is not multiple of 66, then don't take multiples. First check it. My observe, because it is a integer number, I will check multiples first. Instead of 5 I will check first 4, because let's check it. 4 minus 1 by 2, that is 2. It is a multiple. In results it is not multiple. For it is multiple, here not multiple, but check it. It is not multiple, no need to take. Now I will take this multiples. I will check, because I want integer number. I will check multiple. 6 minus 1 by 2, that will be 3. It is a multiple. First I will check this number. 6 minus 1 by 2, that will be 3. If I do 66 divided by 3 will be 22. Yes or no? Yes or no? Reply all. Solve that
Yes,
equation.
sir.
Yeah, you solve that
Yes,
equation.
sir.
You will get answers. Minus, not minus, sorry. Not 22. Wait. Sorry. You're dividing here into. Not, sorry. Complete your concept is wrong, I said. Thought it is into. I'm not observing. Now it's not multiple. 6 minus 1 by 2, again it will be 11 by 2. 6 minus 1 by 2. It's not 2, that. Multiples you can take it, you option by option. You can verify. 6 minus 1 by 2, that is 5.5. 5.5 is 11 multiple. 55. Yes, I can write it. Again it is 6. Yes, it is both are multiple. 5.5 means 55 I am observing. 55 I am observing. 5.5 means. Okay, 55. 5.5 means. That is multiple. 11 multiple I can write. Yes, you can verify 6. You will get answer. 4.4 minus 1.5 will be 3.5. 7, no, it's not no multiple of 7. 5 minus 9, 4.5. It is not multiple of 9. So you can take it 6 is a directly. So you will get this equation like this. 6, 5.5 minus 66 divided by 6. Whether it is 1 or not. 6 ones are 6 11s are. Now 5.5. If I remove 1 0, here I will get 10. 11 5s are 11 6s are. Again 5 ones are 5 12s are. 12 minus 11 will be 1. Yes, it satisfied our equation. I hope it is clear. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Another type of question. Same question I think. Consumption, so that okay. It's already solved. No need again. But you try. Is it expenditure is constant? At least now you try. Tell me answer. Is it expenditure is constant?
Yes, sir. Constant.
Yes. If expenditure is constant, price is inversely proportional to consumption. Even there directly given price ratio. Price ratio. Now do it. Tell me answer. At least you should try and tell. You should try and tell this. And all members tell answer. Tell me answer, anyone? Alankruth, Shreyas. What is the answer? We already solved this question. Price is inversely proportional concept. What is the fraction value of 15%, Alankruth?
300 by 17%.
1720.
3 by 720. Yes. Now, yes, final answer will be that. Good. It is reduced. Which means initial price will be 20. Now price will be 70. Now ratio will be 17 is to 20. Consumption ratio. It is a price ratio. Okay, it is a consumption ratio. It is a price ratio. Now consumption will be increased by 3 by 17 into 100 percentage I want, which means 300 by 70. That will be your answer. Clear all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is small change method, little bit higher level question. You see this question, same type as it is, no it one, but language. When the price of the sugar is increased by 53%, family reduce its consumption per month such that expenditure on sugar was only 19% more than the earlier. So already we solved this. You try. Expenditure is not constant, but consumption I have, it is family consumed 38.7 kg per month earlier. Earlier they are given. Now I need to find out what is the now. What is the consumption per now. You try. First find out consumption ratio. You know percentage of the price. You know percentage of the expenditure. Find out consumption percentage ratio. You try. Then I will explain. First you try. I will give 1 minute time. Any YouTube students, can you try this? Reply all YouTube students. Anyone is there? Just reply. Will you try who are there? Just reply. Tell me answer. Okay, try this question. When the price of the sugar is increased by 53%, a family reduces its, very simple question. Already we solved this as it is concept. Anyone? You want this much time? Shall I do? Okay, because you will take more time. Shall I do online students reply?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where you are not getting, you should tell afterwards. Alankrut, shall I try? Shreyas? I
Yes,
will
sir.
try. Okay, let's solve it. So now need reply. Good. Let's solve it. First, price of the sugar is in number is difficult. Only thing is number is difficult because in exam you will get number like this only. You should know that 53 percentage means 53 divided by 100. We can't reduce that. It's a prime number. We can't reduce that. 53 divided by 100, which means initially it is 100 rupee I'm spending. Now it is 53 rupee. It is a price ratio. I want expenditure first actually. It is a price ratio. Now expenditure of sugar was 19 percentage. What happened? Increase or decrease? More than earlier one, which means increased. It means increased, which means initially expenditure is 100 rupee. Now it is 119 rupee. This is the thing I need to do it. If I write consumption ratio, ratio will be 100 by 100 is 1 because expenditure. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, here in expenditure ratio, you have written 100 is to 190.
Yes.
But in price ratio, you have written 100 is to 53. Sir, it
Yeah,
should
sorry.
be
It is 150.
100
Yes. Sorry. Yes, good. When the price of the sugar is increased by 53 percentage, yes, it should be 153 only. Okay, so small change, 153. Good. Then if I write this equation, 119 is to 153. If I do right, then if I do consumption, if I do cross multiplication, I will get 153 is to 119. I think it's clear till this. Everyone. Yes or no? Anyone have doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is a original consumption. It is a final consumption. This is a original consumption. Then 153 parts is equal to, how to do it I will explain, 38.7. 153 parts is equal to 38.7. 1 part is equal to 38.7 divided by 153. But I want into 119. Tell me 119 and 153, it will come in which table? It will come in 17 table?
17.
Yes, it will come in 17 table. So
Yes, sir.
we can solve it. 17 nines are 153. 17 how many times?
7.
7.
Yeah, sorry. I'm writing 6. Typing 17 sevens. Now I need to check whether it is 3 multiple or not. Yes, it is 9 multiple. Because 9 I have. How to check 9 multiple? I will add 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. Yes, I can write it. How many times you only tell? 9 how many times? 360 plus 27. 360 plus 27 will be 360 means that will be 9 4s 360 and 27 43. 4.3.
43.
Yeah, 4.3. 4.3. Here point I have, that's why 4.3. 7 4. Now you can multiply this. Okay, you will get 7 4s are 28. 7 3s are 21 means 30.1. Yes or no? 43 into 7. 120 plus, sorry, typing wrong. So 40 into 4 into 3. 40 into 3, just you can write. Afterwards you can keep it point. 4.3 into 7 you should multiply. Okay, 40 into 3 and 7 into 3. Afterwards you can keep it point. 40 into 7 280. 3 into 7 21. That will be how much? Tell me. 3 not? How much?
301.
Yeah, 301. Now I will keep it point. That will be 30.1. Now the question is how much reduced. Initially I am taking 38.7. Now I am reducing 30.1. You can take it. Otherwise you can do it directly here actually. Here I am assuming this actual previous one. It is a reduction they are given. So directly instead of 119, See, instead of 119, you can write this equation.
3.6.
Yes, you can write it directly 66. That equation also you can write it. 153 and 119 difference also you can write it directly. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, right. I hope it is clear, everyone.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
here 30.1 is
See, instead of this, instead of 119, even directly I can write. See, I will show you. 38.7, 38.7 divided by 153. Here they are not asking what is the new consumption. They are asking how much reduced. Reduced will be 34. Yes or no?
yes.
Reduced will be 34 because initially it is 153, now it is 119. Reduced will be 34. 34 is 17 multiple. 17 multiple, 17 2s are 34, 17 9s are again 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 9 3s are 4.3 into 2, 8.6. Directly also I can tell. Is it clear? Both, just I'm explaining here basics. Most of them will do that, but here we can write it directly how much reduced. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Try all varieties. I'm organized questions.
Sir,
All, yeah, tell me, Priti.
in the very first question you told when expenditure. Sir, can you explain that relation once again?
Which one?
The relation between expenditure price and consumption.
See now, if expenditure is constant, if expenditure is constant, then price is inversely proportion to consumption. This is one property. Next property, if there is no expenditure constant, then if I need consumption, I will write expenditure divided by price if I need consumption. If I need price, I will write this equation expenditure divided by consumption. Where you are not getting till so in this question, tell me where you are not understanding. Till now, what you understand, where you are struck actually while solving.
Sir, yes, I understood right now.
Okay, is it clear clearly?
Yes, sir.
So here two properties only. If whether expenditure constant or not, we have to check. If expenditure is constant, price is inversely proportional to consumption. Second property we have to check whether expenditure is there is no constant. We have to take it only basic equation, that is consumption or price. What they are asking here, they are asking consumption, so I will take consumption means expenditure divided by price. If they ask price, I will take expenditure divided by consumption. Okay, you try this question, same kind of question, same kind of question. Number is difficult only. Just you try. Try all online students. Try now. Due to increase of 32% in the price of same question, at least you try now. You should try, then only you will understand. Otherwise, see, for each module I will take 20 questions each module. It's not percentage. From in percentage, so one of the module will be consumption, expenditure, price. I will take all the possible pattern of the questions. Like this I will take most of the times. Important modules in this batch. Is it clear? Okay. Shall I do or will you try still?
Sir, try, will try.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, try. You try. Anyone? Okay. Where you will start till now? Okay, let's solve it. You only tell everyone what you written expenditure ratio. Tell me.
Sir, it
It is
is
11.
11:10.
Uh, see that's the wrong. See, always you should write it. Okay, 11:10 you written. That is what is 11 according to you? What is 10 according to you?
Sir, 11 is the increased expenditure.
Okay, what you
100%.
written? Okay, fine. What you written? Price ratio. Tell me.
It is 25:33.
See, then it is wrong. That's why whether you should write it in one format. That's why you're getting confused. That's why you're not getting answers. See, whether you should write it initial to final or you should write it final to initial, both ratio properly. One ratio you have written initial to final, final to initial. Second ratio you have written initial to final. That's why it is wrong. Say now. You said you are writing 11:10. According to this, 10 percentage is 1 by 10. 1 by 10 increase ratio will be 11 by 10. According to you, tell me what is that 10, what is that 11, what is this 10?
10 is the initial one.
Yes, 11 is the final. You can write it 11:10, no wrong, that is okay. Here you are writing actually final to initial, no problem, you can able to write. Here I am writing initial to final, both I will tell you where you did wrong. Then price ratio. If I come to price ratio, 32 percentage means 32 divided by 100, that is 8 by 25. What you written, tell me? You said 25:33. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, that's why wrong, right? It is 25:33 because 25 is the initial, it is a 33, but you are writing here final to initial, you are here writing initial to final. That's why it is wrong. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You should write it initial to final or final to initial, both ratio properly. Here 10:11, initial to final 25:33. Now consumption ratio. If I come to consumption, that's why you are not getting there. So while writing, be clear. What about others where you are not getting? Tough ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ, where you are not getting? That will be, I can write it 2 by 5 ratio. Here 1 by 3. The ratio will be 3 2s are 6:5. What is this 150 kg? Now, if he consume 150 kg after increased price, which means it's a final, 5 parts is equal to 150, 1 part is equal to 30, then 6 parts is equal to 180. Is it clear now, everyone?
Understood.
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Yes. So while writing, be careful that. Good.
Understood.
Tell me, Alankar, where you are not understanding, Alankar, where you are not getting this part. Says, what about you? Where you are struck?
Understood, sir. I got till 6 is to 5, then I did not compare like
Okay,
what.
see this you have to take it. What is this 150 original number? What they are representing? What they are talking about 150? You have to understand. If we consume 150 kg pulse after the price, this is the after price 150 kg is, that is after price increase, you get 150 kg. That's the meaning that.
Yes,
I
sir.
think it's clear. So while solving, see, while explaining you can able to understand. While solving you have to know each and every statement meaning properly. Then it is easily question. So you solve this question. It is also easy question. Same question as it is question. We solved previously also this. Expenditure is same, constant. Because I am spending first time also 162. Second time also 162. Price is reduced. Solve it this question and tell me answer. Anyone?
Yes, sir, solve.
Yeah, solve. Slowly solve. Due to 25% fall in the rate of X, one can buy it is not but buy. One can buy 2 dozen X more than before by investing 162. First time also I am investing 162. Second time also I am investing 162. What is the original price? I know percentage of the price. I can write ratio. Tell me what ratio you will write price. Expenditure is constant here. First day also I am spending 162. Second day also I am spending 162 only. Tell me what is the price ratio everyone is written. Preeti, tell me what you have written in your price
4
ratio.
is to 3.
Yes, 4:3, correct. Initial to final, 4:3. Now tell me what is the consumption ratio. Because I am invested, expenditure is constant. If expenditure is constant, price is inversely proportion to consumption. What is the inverse proportion of the 4:3? That is 3:4. Yes or no? Is it clear?
Yeah, yes, sir.
First day I told you this property you should remember. Expenditure is constant means price is inversely proportion to consumption. You should remember this. First day also I am spending 162. Second day also I am spending 162. This is the ratio 3:4, which means initially I am getting 3 dozen eggs. Now I am getting 4 dozen eggs. How much dozen extra I am getting? 1 part dozen extra I am getting. Here according to question, 2 dozen extra I am getting. 1 part is equal to 2. Initially I am getting 6 dozen eggs. Now I am getting 8 dozen eggs. I am investing first day also 162 rupee. Second day also 162 rupee. First day if I invest 162 rupee, I am getting 6 dozen eggs. Second day I am invested 162 rupee, I am getting 8 dozen eggs because price is reduced. Now the question is original rate. Original rate 162 rupee if I spend, they will give 6 dozen eggs. 6 dozen eggs. Then what is the 1 dozen price? 1 dozen price. 162 divided by 6. Answer will be 27. Very simple question. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Where you are not understanding, tell me. Where you are not getting this.
Sir, understood.
Yeah. Same questions because this is the most important questions. You have to understand properly this. Complete module today we are going to discuss. See, this is same, but original price, present price, original all in one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which option verify? Original price of same question. You have to find out original price. You have to find out original present price, original purchase, present purchase. In one question all 4. Solve it. Same question previous question, this question both are same. But find out all 4 answers. Tell me. Previous question and this question both are same. You do it and tell me answer.
Sir, original price will be 16 rupees per kg.
Good. What is the new price? Same. 320 divided by what? How much you will get? You can write it. 16 rupees per kg. Two options we have 16 rupees per kg. So you have to find out new price also. What is the new price? Otherwise, what is the consumption you will get? Consumption, what is the first consumption, second consumption? Original consumption, tell me. What is the original consumption?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, tell me, what is the price ratio you written? What you
Sir,
have written?
price ratio of 5 is to 4.
Correct. Price ratio will be 5:4. Then what is the consumption ratio? Because it is expenditure is constant. What is the consumption ratio you have written?
Of 4 is to 5.
Correct. Now, according to this, initially I am getting 4 kg. Now I am getting 5 kg. Which means...
Sir, it will be, the present price is 12.
Yes, wait. One part, yes. One part is equal to 5, 4 parts is equal to 20 kg, 5 parts is equal to 25 kg. Which means 20 is to 25, where I have, here also I have, here also I have, this option eliminated, this option eliminated. Any two options. This or this. We have to verify. First day I am spending 320 rupee. Original price. They will give 20 kg. Which means per kg will be 16. Here I have 16. This will be your answer. If you want, you can check this also. New price 320 rupee. I'm going to spending. Second day they will give 25 rupee, 25 kg. If I solve that equation, that will be 8. 20 by 25 will be 4 by 5, 80%, which means 12.8. That will be your final answer. Option A. I think it's clear completely. So this question, original purchase will be 20. Present purchase, that will be 25. Original price will be 320 divided by 20. New price will be 320 divided by 25. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Last two questions. Complete this model. So next class you have successive percentage. Same question, you try this question as it is question. Successive percentage next class I will take. And you reasoning classes also, it start from next week. Same question you try as it is question. As it is question. You try this question and tell me answer. Tell me answer.
So 22.2 kg.
Good.
So original purchase will be 18 kg.
Good.
Sir, present rate is 20 per kg,
Good.
and the present purchase is uh, 10 into 20.
Right.
I think, sir, it will be
See, you can tell like this. 10 percentage ratio will be 10 is to 11. Reduction, sorry, 10 is to 9.
hmm,
Then consumption ratio will be 9 is to 10. 2 kg more, which means 1 part is equal to 2. Yes or no? Here 18 parts, here 20 parts. Which option we have? Okay, here these options are, here I have 18 kg. Here I have two options. I have 18 kg and 20 kg. Next. No, it's a, okay, everything price they are asking. I think the options are wrong, no problem. It is kgs, it is price, I think. Let's check it. First day 400 rupee I am spending. Second day also 400 I am spending. So a 400 divided by 18 you do it. Then 400 divided by 20. 400 divided by 20, if I do that, answer will get 20. So 20 rupees per kg. This is not my option. Maybe this is my option, might be. This is also possible. 200 by 9. 200 by 9 is 22.5. So your option will be that. 18, 20, 20 is a not kg. It is kg only. It is 20 kg. Option typing wrong. 18 kg, 20 kg, 20 rupees per kg, 22.5 rupees per kg. Is it clear?
22.2. How?
How are you getting? Say now, how I am solving. 18 divided by, 400 divided by 18. How I am seeing this number? Can I write this equation 200 divided by 9? Yes or no? Yes or no?
It is asking for the present purchase.
Yeah, whatever that, it present, yes, it is a present price. The options are, they are given mix up.
So no, sir, it is asking present purchase. 400.
Yes, it is a present only. No, they are not present. See, what's the question they are asking? They are asking original rate, original price. See, don't worry about these options what I am writing. So I want, it's a old price. 400 divided by 18 is a old price. Old price will be 400 divided by 18. Yes or no? Old.
No, sir, it is asking the present purchase. So I think it would be 400 divided by
20.
20. Yes, sir.
For see, my question is, don't worry about this. According to option, they will mix up. Understood, right? They will mix up this option. They will mix up.
Okay.
Okay, it may be anything, it may be anything. Just which option we have to verify. That's it. They may give anything. Options they will combine anything. You have to verify where you will get these numbers. 18, 20. See, this is 18, 20. I have two options. 18, 20 only. So this is eliminated. This is eliminated. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I need to find out price. Price to find out this number, 400 divided by 20 is 20 rupee. 400 divided by 18. 400 divided by 18 is 22.5. Sorry, 22.2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Where you will get 20 and 22.2, just verify according to this two equation. Here I have both the equations same. So here I have 20 and 22.2. So your answer will be this. They will mix up options. They won't, so no need to worry about first we have to write it original rate. For second is original price. Third one is present rate. Fourth one is present percentage. No need to worry about that. It may be anything. They may give. Here also same thing you have 18 rupees per kg. Anyway, original rate they are given. Original rate you have to find out this. Original rate will be this. That 400 divided by 18. I think it's clear.
Yes.
Reverse order they are given actually, no problem. So I think let's solve it one more last question. 20 questions. See this now. What is the answer? Same thing, just write down, you try. Now try. Last question. Same question. At least you can try this question. What is the answer? Anyone? You try this question. You may do it. Shreyas, Alankrut, what is your answer this?
Yes, 1 minute. Just
Yes.
Option A, sir.
Okay, good. Option A, good. So this is today's class.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Option A.
Yeah, good. So you can try. So everyone, and where, so everyone just install in who are new student, Preeti and Shreyas, everyone, Institute of Banking Competence app. It is my app. Everyone install there. I will upload there this material.
Sir, which app?
Institute of, just open Play Store. Institute of Banking Competence. Institute of Banking Competence. There I will upload all this material. I will add you batch also there. Competence, IBC logo name. You search in Play Store this, you will get IBC logo name, yellow color logo name, IBC. There I will upload this material from class 1. There I will create one folder